So, hello and good afternoon to all the viewers. Important match for the both teams. This is the qualifying number one.
The news from the middle is that the Market Super Kings have won the toss and they are batting first.
Another wicket goes down for the Market Super Kings. Two opening batsmen back in that. First man to go Mohammad Munir. Second man to go Talib Ahmed. It was a really bad shot choice by the Talib Ahmed. There is a man at deep extra cover and he plays the ball straight to the man at deep extra cover. Just catching practice. And the man at deep extra cover, Abdul Jabbar. Good shot, he cuts it beautifully. No need to run for that, just stand and deliver a magnificent shot.
Hold me close till I get up.
And unable to stop that ball. That was the sweetly timed by final.
एक नकल गेंद और इस बार डायरेक्ट हिट, सीधा डायरेक्ट हिट मारते हुए यहाँ पर एजाज की विकेट जाती हुई और सीधा तेज तर्रार मारते हुए यहाँ पर वाहिद अपने ही फॉलो थ्रो में पतन होता हुआ यहाँ पर मार्केट सुपर किंग्स का। हल्के हाथों से खेला, रन लेना चाहते थे। इस बार बॉल जाती हुई वहां पर थर्ड मैन के ऊपर 4 रन। और ये डायरेक्ट हिट, फिर से डायरेक्ट हिट। लगातार हर ओवर में डायरेक्ट हिट हो गए, एक विकेट का पतन होता है यहां पर मार्केट सुपर किंग्स का। एक तेज तरार थ्रो मारते हैं वहां पर श्रीनिवास कंटी, शॉर्ट विकेट के पास एक शानदार तेज तरार थ्रो करते हुए अपने टीम के लिए। इस बार कवर्स की दिशा में 4 रन, इनसाइड आउट शॉट मारते हुए यहां पर। इस बार जाता हुआ पल्लू स्कूप 4 रन, यानी दिल स्कूप लगातार 2 गेंदों में 2 चौके मारते हुए यहां पर। इस बार लॉन्ग ऑफ की दिशा में लगातार 3 चौके मारते हुए यहां पर सचिन राठौड़ और स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ यहां पर। एक लंबा शॉट, 6 रन। जाराना बल्लेबाजी करते हैं यहां पर सचिन राठौड़ अपनी टीम के लिए यहां पर।
प्लेयर गुलबर्गा से होगा।
और इसी तरह से वाइड और अतिरिक्त 4 रन, यानी लगभग 5 रन जोड़ते हुए अपने खाते में मार्केट सुपर किंग्स। लॉन्ग ऑन पे जोरदार पार, 6 रन। पिछले मैच के स्टार बल्लेबाज ताश्विन गेंद अपने पाले में दिखी, लॉन्ग ऑन की दिशा में एक जोरदार पार।
Goes high, goes handsome. There is a man in the deep and he takes it comfortably. Mohammad Mohsin is the catcher. What a catch under pressure.
Thunder. Lightning and the thunder.
Goes big and straight over the side screen. Azhar is the cameraman on the firing line on that time. What a shot this is. Again, this time even bigger. What a deep mid wicket. Towering 6. What a shot this is.
Number, I was lightning.
Cameraman Sidhu is on firing line on that time. Again he goes. It's in the air. The fielder takes it up with the catch. And this is a really big wicket for the Santraswadi strikers. Vishwanath Pariwal goes. He has got the height. Can it go all the way? It doesn't. Strike to the fielder's hand. And a third wicket for Srinivas Kanti. And he's... bowled him. Fourth wicket for Srinivas Kanti. What a bowling this is. Bowled him. Fifth wicket for Srinivas Kanti. What a bowling this is. 3 wickets in this over. Wow, this is gigantic. So 141 for the loss of 9 wickets. Market Super Kings won the toss. Opted to bat first. They made 141 runs in 9 wickets. 5 wicket haul for the Srinivas Kanti. Excellent bowling. You see his bowling figures. 4 overs. In fact, 3 overs he bowled. No maiden, 25 runs and 5 wickets. What a bowling display this is by Srinivas Kanti. Market Super Kings. They made 141 for the loss of 9 wickets. 20 overs completed. The target for the Santraswadi strikers, 142 in 20 overs. Can they do it? Nicely flicked that one to the onside. First boundary and a welcome boundary for the Michael Lobzer. Good shot, what a slap this is. And that went for the distance. First 6 from Michael Lobzer. This is a miraculous batting. In the air, just away from the fielder at Gully. And the ball runs away to the boundary. First boundary to Shanvasappa.
I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
Cuts it well. And into the boundary. Easy pickings from Michael Lobzer. Room outside the off stump. And he cuts it beautifully. Pierces the offside field and into the fence. Sachin Rathod has got plenty of variety in his bowling. Oh, what a shot! That ball went like a rocket. What a cut shot this is. Exclusive cut shot from the Michael Lobzer. This time the result is the same. Back-to-back boundaries. Consecutive boundaries from Michael Lobzer. He pulls that one to the onside. One bounce into the fence. What a pull shot this is. Goes big, goes handsome. What a shot this is. This went for straight into the crowd. Straight into the spectators gallery. What a shot for Michael Lobzer. Second 6.
और इस बार अच्छा पिक करके शॉट मारते हुए वहां पर 4 रन. जैसे शॉट गेंद दिखी उसको मार दिया. 49 रन 34 गेंदों में. फिर से सैयद फयाज कादरी सामना करेंगे शानबसप्पा. और 6 रन. जोरदार प्रहार. जो दर्शक उनके 50 पे जो तालियां मारे थे वही दिशा में मारते हुए 6 रन. मुकम्मल करते हुए वहां पर माइकल लॉब्सर. इस बार बॉल जाती हुई वहां पर स्टेट. सचिन राठौड़ मौजूद. थोड़ी सी गलती. फिर से 4 रन. और ये क्लीन बोल्ड.
Manoj Chauhan comes out to the middle and directed. This could be close. Michael Lobzer is the man. He's on the danger zone. I think he might be struggling. Way that Market Super Kings fielders are celebrating. He might be struggling in big time. We are waiting for the decision. We will get a decision. Out is the decision. Marquette Super Kings start to celebrate. And this is a big wicket. You watch that one on the big giant screen. Why Michael Lobzer given run out. Ball hitting the stumps. The bat is outside the ground. Nicely flicks that one by Abdul Jabbar. There is a man at deep square leg. And they comes back for the second misfield. Ball running over to the boundary. Important boundary for the Santraswadi strikers. Appeal, give him out, and the things are really turning for the Marquette Super Kings in the couple of overs. This is a big wicket. In the air, and taken! What a catch that is! 4 wickets goes down. Abdul Jabbar. Down the track comes Srinivas Kanti in the air. Oh, luckily not carried to the fielder at short term and in place. The ball went for the boundary. Turn this match towards the Santraswadi strikers. It's on the way towards the Marquette Super Kings at the moment. Yeah, ball day. And ball hit the middle stump. What a sight for the bowler. Six ball, 18 runs. Vishwanath Madiwal to Abdul Javed. White ball starts off with a wide. 6 ball, 17 runs. Pressure on both teams. Pressure on the batsman. Pressure on bowler. Go, dot ball. What a delivery this is. 5 ball, 17 runs. It's in the air. The fielder underneathing the ball. And he takes a comfortable catch. Wicket number 6 for the Marquette Super Kings. 6th wicket goes down. Goes beautiful shot, this one down the ground, but there is a man at long off. 2 ball, 15 runs. Marquette Super Kings. They are on the verge of a win. Plays that one to the long on area. There is a man in the deep. 1 ball, 14 runs. It's all over for the Santraswadi strikers. He goes big, goes handsome. Man at long off and he takes the catch. 4th wicket for Vishwanath Madiwal. What a and he entered into the final. Marquette Super Kings. Second time they are entered into the final. They are the season 1 winner, Marquette Super Kings. 94 without any loss. Wicket of Michael Lobzer. As I told you before, open the gate. And what a win for the Marquette Super Kings. Unbelievable victory. They cannot believe this win. Srinivas Kanti is unhappy. Michael Lobzer is unhappy. And a really great turnaround.
What an epic comeback.
So seeing all these scores, the committee decided to hand over the title of Man of the Match. And for Man of the Match, can I request the dignitaries and the guest for this evening to hand over a cheque of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandanabas Management of Sports to Mr. Vishwanath for his 4 wickets off. The wickets were of Mohsin Khan, Abdul Javed, Zubair Ahmed and Manoj Chauhan. Let the claps keep coming for Mr. Vishwanath. Marquette Super Kings, you truly deserve to clap for him. Let the claps keep coming, ladies and gentlemen. Another prize of rupees 2,500, which is a gift voucher from our sponsors, Mobile Hub. Let the claps keep coming, people. Yes, a beautiful Bluetooth headset handed over by Eyeball in association with Mobile Hub. This is again another prize given to Man of the Match, Mr. Vishwanath. May I now request the dignitaries to hand over a voucher of rupees 1,000 to Mr. Srinivas Kanti for his 5 wickets. Can we have the winner, please? It's a voucher of ₹1,000 and this can be redeemed at the store. Thank you, Mr. Shahid Khadri, all the way from Jeddah, sending an envelope of ₹1,000 to Mr. Srinivas Kanti for good bowling and 5 wickets for Santraswadi's team. Purple cap with the most wickets currently. Can we have the cap, please? And this cap goes to Mr. Srinivas Kanti for his 22 wickets. And this title is most wickets currently. And can we have Mr. Michael Lobster for his most runs currently, orange cap, a contest by Bharat Honda. For his whopping 560 runs. Orange cap goes to Mr. Michael, most runs currently for 560 runs presently. All the 7 league matches which they have played and the qualifier match.
KVN Premier League Season 3 is presented by KVN University and Megaspeed Broadband. Powered by Mobile Hub and iBall. In association with Shaheen Group of Institutions, Gulberg Travels, Al Noor Specialty Hospital, Sana Builders and Developers, Microtouch Infotech Private Limited, Birla Evans Concrete Cement, Orbis International School, Punjab Footwear Group, AN Banquets, and by Shebas Electricals. Our gold sponsors include Dr. Royals Ayurveda Hospitals, Bharat Honda, United Hospital, Shweta Dentistry, Prakash Asian Mall, Maharaja Sweets, and by Quality Steels.